Do you want to resell shoes to make the most profit? Before starting your shoe resale business, you first need to understand the status of the resale market and be targeted. Determine the design style of the shoes you want to resell. How about market pricing and consumer groups? Where to start your resale business? If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. There are many ways to resell your shoes. You can flip them hand-to-hand to people you know and drop them off at big consignment retailers such as StockX and GOAT. But you need to be mindful of a lot when you are reselling your shoes. What are the fees? How long will it take to sell the sneakers or get paid? StockX is based on a bid-ask process. You can list your sneakers for however much you want on the site, and potential buyers can choose to accept your price or not. Seller fees are 9.5% when you start, but the rates will decrease to 9% as soon as you complete 3 sales. Payment processing is 3%. Fees will drop to 8.5% after 30 sales or $10,000 in volume. Fees will then drop to 8% after either 100 sales or $25,000 worth of transactions. And payment is put in your PayPal account once the shoes are shipped and verified. You can also opt for direct deposit. To sell on GOAT, you need to apply. Once you become an authorized seller, you can list your shoes online. If a sale is made, you will ship the shoes to GOAT for them to be authenticated. Once everything checks out, the money will be deposited to you. Seller fees are $5 in the US and $12 Ireland, Luxembourg, Portugal, Spain, and Denmark, $20 in Canada, $25 in Guam, $30 for the rest of the world. There is also a 9.5% commission fee. This fee can increase to 15% and as high as 25% per canceled orders due to replicas, wrong size, wrong shoe, wrong condition, uncommon manufacturing defects not mentioned. For each seller cancellation, 10 points are also deducted from their seller rating. The commission fee can also increase incrementally depending on that seller's rating. While getting paid from StockX and GOAT may take several days to a few weeks, you can also consider reselling on Instagram, as there are no service charges. To sell on Instagram, you can post the sneakers that you want to sell on your personal account and hope that people see them. You can also be the worst type of person on the internet, the type that comments on a big sneaker account to announce that you have a size available of a certain sneaker for sale. No fees and no rules. This may sound very pleasing, but let me tell you, scams are very common here, so every sale is risky. You can also sell on eBay, as eBay is the biggest marketplace on the internet, and the more you sell and the positive feedback you receive, the more likely that you're going to make more sales. You can take images of your sneakers and create a listing. You can either have people bid on your sneakers or allow them to be bought instantly at a set asking price. Once a buyer is determined, the seller comes in contact with the buyer and payment is made. It's not an automatic process and buyers conflate. You ship the sneakers yourself, so you add the shipping into the cost. There are no seller fees on sneakers over $100, not including shipping, handling, taxes, or fees. There will be a 30-cent final value fee, but will be a credit on users who use managed payments. You could also go to a consignment store, talk to the owner or employee, figure out a price, and wait for the shoes to sell. Fees here are like partnerships, typically 80-20 split. The payment process may vary, but it typically is an in-store cash payout. If you become a member of BrickRadar, figuring out how to find steals on shoes can be very easy. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.